Assalamualaikum students. I hope you will be fine. Welcome to online classes of Knowledge City Islamic School. In previous lecture I have teach you the lesson Pippi's long stocking. Today we will do its exercise. So open your books with me. Okay student, now I am writing question answer and difficult words for you on board with their meanings and question answer on board, and you have to copy them on your notebook. So let's start our work. Okay student, I have write the question answer and words meaning for you on board. Our first word is entered. Entered का मतलब है दाखिल होना. वेरिकुला जगह का नाम है. लवली खूबसूरत या प्यारा. आउटलुक लुकिंग आउट बाहर देखना. प्लेमेट खेल का साथी. नेयर करीब. कंसिडरिंग ख्याल करना. स्टैंडिंग खड़े हुए. एक्साइटिंग पुरजोश. फ्रेकल्स दाग धब्बे. एडमिटेड मानना. वाइड चौड़ा. अनयूजुअल गैर मामूली. रेदर बिल्कुल. स्ट्रेंज अजीब. साइडवॉक सड़क के किनारे. फुटपाथ चलना. लिटिल वाइल थोड़ी देर बाद. साइलेंस खामोशी. इजिप्ट मिस्र. फार्देस्ट दूर दराज के. विट बुरी बात. कैनिबॉल आदमखोर. ओशियन समंदर. सनडाउन सूरज गुरूब होना. ब्रेकफास्ट नाश्ता. इंट्रोड्यूस मुतारिफ करवाना. पोलाइटली नरमी से. आइसलैंड जजीरा. सडनली अचानक. रियलाइज्ड एहसास होना. बोर्ड नीचे को झुक गया या सर झुकाना. एंजल फरिश्ता. Okay student, now I have wrote the question answer for you. Our first answer is the name of Pippi's house was Villa Vericula. You have to write the question from your book and you have to write the answer from board. Our second question is while Tommy and Annika were standing by the gate, they were thinking about what they should do ई, विट बुरी बात, कैनिबल मतलब आदमखोर, स्ट्रेंज अजीब, इंट्रोड्यूस मतलब मुतारिफ करवाना। I hope student you understand this and you will write down the question answer from board. Now come on book and now we will do the exercise of book. Okay student, come on book, open your book, page number 6. First of all, working with words. Use the following words and phrases from the passage and the sentences of by your own. Stepped out. Stepped out का मतलब है बाहर निकलना. Grown into मतलब परवरिश पाना. Remarkable का मतलब है गैर मामूली. Had no idea कोई मालूमात ना होना. Gathered मतलब इकट्ठे होना. You can be sure आप मुतमईन हो सकते हैं. Wondering whether ख्याल करना. It must be admitted. It must be admitted का मतलब है कि ज़रूरी है कि माना जाए या मान लिया जाए. Politely का मतलब है नरमी से. So you have to make the sentences by your own. Now come fill in the blanks in the following. The first one has been done for you. For now this is the exercises participles. Participles कहते हैं past forms को आपने लिखना है. Break, broke, broken. Now go, went, gone. हमें पता है कि इसकी जो फर्स्ट फॉर्म है वो हमारे पास go है, सेकेंड फॉर्म हमारे पास है went और थर्ड फॉर्म हमारे पास क्या है gone. Stream, streamed, streamed. When we write the ed then it will become second and third form. Say, sad, sad. Now show, showed, shown. Cheat, cheated, cheated. Hair, haired, haired. Spread, spread, spread. Okay, now come on this exercise. Add the articles of the following where necessary. We have idea कि how many articles we have. We have 3 articles. A, an and the. अब आपको मालूम है कि a और an आर्टिकल हम कब यूज़ करते हैं. हम a जो है वो with consonants और an आर्टिकल हम with vowels. ठीक है. और द हम जो है वो यूज़ करते हैं जब आप किसी पर्टिकुलर नाउन की बात कर रहे हो. ठीक. तो अब यहाँ पर हम once upon a time there lived a king who was a fine man. The kingdom he ruled was a very large and all the people who lived in it were happy and prosperous. One day, a great flood of water come pouring down from the mountains and swept away the palace and the most of the city. Many of the people were drowned, but the king sent his army and carried everyone to some high ground. In this way he saved the many people from the death. Okay student, I hope कि आपको ये समझ में आ गया होगा. आपने जो है वो जहाँ आपके पास क्या कहते हैं कोई किसी ख़ास पर्टिकुलर उसकी बात की जा रही है वहाँ आपने द का इस्तेमाल करना है और जहाँ आपके पास वॉवेल आ रहा है या आपके पास कॉन्सोनेंट वॉवेल आ रहा है वहाँ आपने अ का इस्तेमाल करना, और जहाँ आपके पास एन का इस्तेमाल करना, और जहाँ आपके पास कॉन्सोनेंट आ रहा है वहाँ आपने अ का इस्तेमाल करना है। ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ वी हैव नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज यूजिंग ऑफ हु और विच। अब हमने हु और विच का इस्तेमाल करना है। मोस्टली हम जो विच है वो इस्तेमाल करते हैं लोगों के लिए, हु हम लोगों के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं और विच हम थिंग्स के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं। ओके स्टूडेंट, फर्स्ट वी हैव दिस इज द डॉग, इट हैज़ अ स्ट्रेंज नेम। तो दिस इज द डॉग, इट की जगह विच हैज़ अ स्ट्रेंज नेम। सेकेंड वी हैव दिस इज द बिन, the dog tipped it over. So here we write this is the bin, which dog tipped it over. This is the teacher, she told the boys to be quiet. Here we write this is the teacher, she की जगह हम लिखेंगे बच्चों who told the boys, क्या लिखेंगे who। which चीज़ों के लिए इस्तेमाल हो रहा है, जबकि who शख्स इंसानों के लिए, who told the boys to be quiet. D we have these are the children dash are throwing water at us. तो here we write who because यहाँ पे चिल्ड्रंस हैं। These are the children who are throwing the water at us. E we have this is the fence, they looked over it. F we have this is Mohit, that he lives next to it. This is Mohit who lives, which नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे, क्या आएगा बच्चों who lives next to it. G we have this is the cat, it comes into our house every night. This is the cat is a animal, so we write here which comes into our house every day. Okay, now we move on next. Underline the nouns in the following sentences. हमने बच्चों यहाँ पे nouns को underline करना है। nouns क्या होता है, किसी शख्स, चीज़ या जगह का नाम, name of person, place or thing. So we underline here. Okay students, first we have once upon a time there was an old man called Ramiz. Here we have man and Ramiz, these both are nouns. Second we have one day he took his dog and went to the forest. Dog, day and forest, these three words are nouns, so we underline them. In C we have suddenly out of the bushes came a ferocious tiger. Bushes and tiger. D we have Ramiz was afraid but his dog feared no man or creature. Ramiz is a name, so we underline dog also and man or creature. These four words are nouns. Okay students, this exercise is very simple, so do it by yourself. Remaining exercise you do it by yourself. Here our chapter is end. Here students, you must listen video carefully and try to read and do work by yourself. Okay students, take care. Allah Hafiz.